रेडियो तराना न्यूजीलैंड एक एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू कर रहा है रणदीप हुड्डा जी के साथ, जो कि फिल्म राधे के साथ फ्राइडे को धूम मचाने वाले हैं. सर, हाउ यू फीलिंग?
I'm feeling as good as one can in this pandemic, brother. Thank you for asking. New Zealand is doing very well, I hear.
Fingers crossed. Yes, sir. Yes, so फ्राइडे को थिएट्रिकल रिलीज है फिल्म राधे की. सलमान भाई से भी बात हुई, वो भी काफी एक्साइटेड है. हाउ इज द फीलिंग डाउन देयर फॉर यू?
Yeah, it's exciting that we will be able to provide entertainment to people in these bleak times, take their mind off the moroseness, and uh, uh, bring some cheer into these dark times. And of course, this is something you've done, and no part of performing arts is really complete till it's viewed by a larger audience. And I'm really excited for people to go and enjoy it in theaters in New Zealand and other places around the world where it's open. And yeah, get the big ticket cinema experience of a Salman Khan Eid release movie and enjoy it for what it is.
Working with Salman ji, you've done some films, and he also mentioned your association with him. How's that experience?
Yeah, it's great. I have known him over the years, and we hang out. Off camera. We have been over the years, and I have, been a part of 2 other films. And there is a certain work culture. There is a certain, thing about a Salman Khan film, where the energy of pie and all that is there. So it's always fun. It's never too taxing. He's very light and funny on the set, and it's quick work, so I quite enjoy it.
Being in the same frame and in cinema experience where you are in 2 different roles, उसके लिए कुछ करना पड़ा, मतलब कि you have to prep yourself up or go through some extensive training, etc.?
Well, I did speak to the director, and he said, just, turn up in a good mood. This is not a preparation heavy role. Though I did rehearse some action sequences, which were one shot and could not be cut. But apart from that, you just go there in a good mood, get your gear on, and, just do your shots and go home. It's not that much involvement because it's such a broad stroke, good versus evil character. And it's very understood what the evil is. And he also does evil things, so one does not have to really play to the gallery. We, in fact, avoided the gesticulations and things of, larger-than-life villains, which usually happen. And that was a purposeful decision, and I think it's held great.
Indeed. Now, speaking of Prabhu Deva, again, it's a question that probably is mind-boggling कि जो बंदा dance करता रहता है या dance के लिए काफी मशहूर है, जो direct करता है, तो is the direction also in that dance sequence, or is it just pure direction and dance is separate when it comes to the item numbers or song numbers?
I don't think he choreographed the dances in this movie. I think there were other choreographers. He didn't do them. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure though. Okay. But no, because he's been a choreographer and who's shot song sequences, so his sense of editing is very strong. He knows exactly what's going to come where, and he just takes that much. And it's a different form, it's a different way of working. And there are sometimes language issues with him, so it's more, gestures that we understand. But he's a simple man with, uncluttered mind and an uncluttered vision as a director. And it's very easy to work with him. I've enjoyed it very much.
And songs-wise, I guess, songs are mainly on Salman Bhai and all that, but you've been humming the tunes of these from Radhe?
Yeah. They're always, all Hindi movies, especially the big commercial ones, song is a big driving force in them, and so in this. And I was there when Siti Mar or some song was being shot. And yeah, I quite enjoyed it. Even in Kick, I was watching Salman dance in one of the sequences. So I don't dance, I stand and he dances and I watch.
Jabki, the position of celebration is a little bit different, but your memories of Eid celebration, because we are seeing a Eid release, so any fond memories of Eid celebrations that you've attended in the past?
Well, Eid is usually past few years there have been, the Eid movie, Salman's Eid movie will come out and go watch it and, hang out after that. And some friends of mine, they cook nice Eid food and we go to their house. But this time around, I hope nobody goes to each other's houses and stay away from each other, especially in India.
Mm-hmm. Lastly, I guess from the audience point of view, on your personal note, you've done really well in the industry. What are your plans? Are you being selective with the amount of offers or scripts that come your way? What's in coming days for you?
Well, I have got another couple of movies that are complete, which will be coming out in due course of time. I was shooting a series called Inspector Vinash for Jio when the lockdown happened. So we are just about halfway through that one. And so we'll be shooting that. And there's 2-3 other movies lined up. I intend to do more work and hopefully more action because I really enjoyed it. And I never had dearth of work, but I never felt like I wanted to be a workhorse at all. It takes the art away from it.
And speaking of Australia, New Zealand, and Fiji, very far away from India, have you ever toured here? Or would you like to come down?
I was in Australia. I was an overseas student in Australia for 6 years.
Wow. Which part of Australia?
I was started from Ballarat and then Melbourne. So mostly in Victoria. I've lived there. I've driven cabs there. I've waited in hotels. I've cleaned dishes. I worked at car washes. I've done all that. I was an overseas student there, and Australia holds a very, close. I hold it very close because it was the formative years of my late teenage and early 20s that I was in Australia. Same with New Zealanders. I had a lot of friends from Fiji in the uni. This guy called Neil, who's from Fiji. He's this Indian descent, Indian and Islander mixed. And I have my cousin, Monu, who's in New Zealand. He's working on a farm over there. And so I've always had connect with the Southeast or extreme South down under people. I enjoy the cricket. I love their cricketers. I love the Aussie footy. I love rugby. So I'm very much in touch with that part of the world. Yeah.
Well, fantastic. Look, it's a pleasure talking to you, and we all are excited for this Friday 13th release film Radhe. And again, for your time, thank you for the media houses that put this interview together. And I wish you all the best for your forthcoming ventures, and we might see you around or chat on another interview.
Sure. Thank you very much, brother. I wish you all the best. Stay safe.
Thank you.